Alright tech enthusiasts, buckle up. Today I'm diving into the latest leaks about the highly anticipated iPhone SE4, slated for a 2025 release. With Apple's recent launch of the iPhone 16 series, everyone's buzzing about what's next for the budget-friendly SE line. First up, the potential launch date. Rumors suggest we might see the iPhone SE4 as early as March 2024, but remember, Apple hasn't spilled the beans officially yet, so take that with a grain of salt. Now let's talk display. Reports from Digitimes indicate the SE4 will sport an OLED display, a first for the SE series. And according to 9to5Mac, we could be looking at a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, the same tech used in the iPhone 14. Under the hood, the SE4 is rumored to pack the powerful A18 chip, just like the iPhone 16 series. This means top-notch performance at a more affordable price point. Plus, Apple's own modem might replace Qualcomm's, which could change up cellular connectivity and battery life. Photography fans, listen up. Leaks hint at a 48MP rear camera on the SE4, a major upgrade from its predecessors. And for selfies, a 12MP front camera. These enhancements could bring it closer to Apple's flagship models. Battery-wise, the specifics are still a bit murky. Some reports suggest a slightly smaller battery than the iPhone 14, but thanks to efficiency tweaks in the chip and software, battery life might still be solid. And yes, there's talk of 25W MagSafe charging, though that's still unconfirmed. On the software front, the SE4 is expected to run iOS 18, along with dual SIM support for those juggling multiple numbers. That's all the buzz on the iPhone SE4 so far. Stay tuned for more updates as we inch closer to its release. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.